Let's talk about money mistakes millennials make and how to avoid them. These are the common mistakes you should avoid if you want to be rich. Number 1 is poor credit card management. For example, you just saw that new shoes or sneakers and you wanted it desperately. You don't have the money for it. Credit cards can be a useful tool for making transactions easily. The problem is that purchases, large and small, can be made out without much consideration, and before you realize it, you have a balance that exceeds your ability to repay at the end of the amount. When bills remains unpaid, you will incur an interest charge. While an interest charge can be bearable on occasion or in an emergency, outstanding balances and interest can mount over time. Number 2 is poor tracking of money. It's never too late to get on track with your finances. Avoiding or solving these financial mistakes can be a springboard to building a better financial future. If you are not money wise yet, work with a professional financial advisor and take steps to improve your finances. Making good financial decisions today means you can enjoy your money tomorrow. Tracking your money also helps you quantify and keep track of your progress towards your goals. And number 3 is starting a family with no stable income or plan. When you find someone you like to spend time with, it can be tempting to merge your lives so you can maximize the time you have with another one. While moving in together might cut your living expenses in half, merging bank accounts or credit cards too early can have lasting financial effects. You need to consider your streams of income, savings, and insurance policies so that you are fully prepared to start building your own family. Number 4 is not planning. Whether planning for the future means starting to save for retirement or just deciding to be intentional about setting money aside for an upcoming trip or event, thinking beyond the current month or year is an excellent financial strategy. Seeing the big picture helps the day-to-day budget management become more important and impactful. Number 5, not saving for retirement. Many millennials realize that retirement planning game has changed and will likely continue to do regardless of your politics. Most everyone agrees Social Security's benefits may not look like what they do today once it's time for millennials to collect. This is the most serious financial mistakes they are doing. The 20s are a critical period in our life. Everyone imagines himself graduating from college and leaving their parents' house to find work. Therefore, begin saving today. It doesn't matter how little you save. What matters is what you save. The better option is to save the money and build up a cash reserve to invest in a business or asset such as real estate or stocks. Thank you.